Good day everyone. You all are welcome in your online English class. Students, today we are going to go through worksheet number 41 and it is related to the topic degrees of comparison adjectives. So, before starting our worksheet, let us go through this beautiful interesting activity. Here we are having three bags X, Y and Z. Class, we know that the term adjective tells us about nouns. While talking about the degrees of adjectives or adjectives degrees of comparison, it means that when we compare between two things, or among the things, जब हम दो चीज़ों के बारे में कंपैरिजन कर रहे हैं या दो से ज़्यादा, चाहे वो जितनी मर्जी हो, दो से ज़्यादा के बारे में, दैट इज़ वाई आई एम सेइंग व्हेन वी आर कंपेयरिंग बिटवीन टू थिंग्स और among the things, then we will use degrees of comparison. Okay, so we see that there are three degrees of comparison: positive, comparative and superlative. Here we see that X is a simple bag here and Y is a bag. Y की क्या quality है? That it is bigger than the bag X. So if we are talking about X is a bag and Y is a bag that is bigger than the bag number X, and while looking at bag number Z, it is the biggest among all these three bags. Which is the biggest one? Z bag is the biggest one. That is why we are talking about positive when we are talking about a single thing, comparative when comparison is there between two things, and superlative when the comparison is among the things. Okay, so we will go with the superlative biggest. Now let us go through our worksheet number 41. Here we are having, look at the given examples and fill in the blanks while you learn to form degrees of comparison. So we have to frame the comparative and the superlative degree of the given adjectives by adding ER and EST to the positive forms. Yes class, now we are having one syllable in these adjectives. So while converting into comparative and superlative, we will add only ER or EST. जब भी हमारी पॉजिटिव डिग्री में वन सिलेबल इज प्रेजेंट देयर, सिलेबल होता है वाउलिक साउंड, जो वाउल की साउंड है, जैसे फास्ट. हियर ए इज प्रेजेंटिंग ओनली वाउल साउंड, एक वाउल की साउंड आ रही है ना, फास्ट. सो इन दीज टाइप ऑफ adjectives we will apply ER or EST to frame comparative and superlative, like fast, faster, fastest. Next is great. So now you will apply great, greater, greatest. Okay, great, greater, greatest. Next word is small, small, smaller, small, smaller, and the superlative degree smallest, small, smaller, smallest. Next is class high, high, higher, high, higher, highest. Similarly, we will sort out the rest of the positive cases to convert them in comparative and superlative, like sweet, sweeter, sweetest, thick, thicker, thickest, and weak, weaker, weakest. Here kind, kinder, kindest, slow, slower, slowest, and hard, harder, hardest. Similarly, dear, dearer, dearest. Next is, we are having in B part, in case positive form ends in E, add R or ST. Now class, we know that in this case when we are having one syllable, we will apply ER or EST. But if the adjective is ending with the word, already it is ending with the word E, then we won't write double E. Okay, then we only write R, because we have to follow this ER or EST, but E is already written here, then we will follow only R, like brave, braver, bravest, able, abler, ablest, large, larger, largest, and white, whiter, whitest. Now let's come at the next page. On next page, wise, wiser, wisest, fine, finer, finest, gentle, gentler, gentlest. Now part C, adjective ending in y. जब adjective किस में end हो रहा है, किस letter में, y में, then और and y has a consonant before it. और y से पहले स्टूडेंट्स क्या अप्लाई है, कॉन्सोनेंट इज अप्लाइड हेयर, बिफोर y कॉन्सोनेंट इज अप्लाइड हेयर. तब हम क्या करेंगे, y विल बी चेंज्ड इनटू i. y को किस में चेंज कर देंगे, i में. और er और est वी हैव टू अप्लाई. सो बाय कटिंग y वी विल अप्लाई ier और iest. ओके, pretty, prettier, prettiest. नेक्स्ट इज busy. नाउ यू विल मेंशन busier. y को कट करके ier एंड busiest. नेक्स्ट इज dry, drier. ier will be applied and driest. est will be applied. Similarly, you will sort out the rest of the adjectives. Happy, happier, happiest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Lovely, lovelier, loveliest. Merry, merrier, merriest. Now let's see the another rule. Here we are having in case y has a vowel before it. अब here we were seeing that y से पहले क्या था, consonant was present. And in this case y से पहले क्या है students, y is present here. y से पहले if you are having vowel, then what do? You won't change y into I. आप y को I में change नहीं करोगे. And er और est are added respectively. आप सिर्फ er और est add करेंगे, like gay, gayer, gayest. Similarly, gray, grayer. You will mention here gray, grayer, because we are having vowel here before y. Gray, grayer, grayest. est. Okay. Next is when positive form is of one syllable and a single consonant is at the end, then the last consonant doubles before adding er or est. Now class, we are having that if when positive form is of one syllable, when जो हमारी positive form of degree है, it is belonging to only one syllable, like one vowelic sound is here, big, fat, hot, red. सिर्फ एक vowel की sound आ रही है ना, then what do? And a single consonant is at the end. और लास्ट में इस वाउल के बाद क्या है हमारा, कॉन्सोनेंट इज अप्लाइड. देन व्हाट डू? er लगाने से पहले वी विल चेंज दिस लास्ट लेटर इनटू डबल. ये लास्ट लेटर किस में चेंज हो जाएगा, डबल में. कब, when this positive form belongs to only one syllable. Okay, it is of one unit only, one syllable, like big, bigger. Now you are doubling this letter g, big, bigger, biggest. Similarly in superlative you are doubling the letter g. Now fat, fatter, fattest. While framing the word fatter, you will doubling this t, fat, fatter, fattest. Okay class, fattest. est will be applied. And hot, hotter, hot, hotter, hottest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Similarly, red, redder, reddest, sad, sadder, saddest. Next is thin, thinner, thinnest. We are doubling this last letter. Wet, wetter, wettest. I hope it's quite clear to you. Now let's move for the next part. Fill in the blanks to complete the positive, comparative and superlative degrees of adjectives. Now we are having miscellaneous exercise. Somewhere we have to fill comparative and somewhere we have to fill superlative. So let's go for it. Up, comparative will become upper and superlative uppermost. Up, upper, uppermost. Red, redder, reddest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Silly, sillier, silliest. Next is big, bigger, biggest. sad, sadder, saddest, gentle, gentler, gentlest, and thoughtful, more thoughtful, most thoughtful, and true, truer, truest. Next part is when positive form has more than 2 syllable, it means 2 vowelic sounds or more vowelic sounds are there at more or most. Generally, it is said that if we are having long words, long adjectives in the positive form, we will apply more and most. But the rule is 2 syllable, yeah, more than 2 syllable will present here. Like here we are having active, 2 syllable are presenting here. Active, more active, most active. Next is beautiful, here we are having, this is complete 1 syllable, beautiful, okay, beautiful. So we will apply more beautiful and most beautiful. You will mention here most beautiful, because here we are having 3 syllable. Difficult, 2 or more than 2 syllable. Difficult, more difficult. Now you will mention here more difficult, most difficult, most next is dangerous, more dangerous, similarly most dangerous, and cheerful, more cheerful, most cheerful, proper, more proper, most proper, pleasing, more pleasing, most pleasing, intelligent, more intelligent, and most intelligent. On the next page you will sort it out like this: obedient, more obedient, most obedient, useful, more useful, most useful, careful, more careful, most careful, thoughtful, more thoughtful, most thoughtful. Now again we are having in part H, some adjectives don't follow any rule. अब कुछ एडजेक्टिव्स में बिल्कुल डिफरेंट होता है कंपैरेटिव एंड सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. दे आर इरेगुलर एडजेक्टिव्स. ऐसे एडजेक्टिव्स को हम क्या कहते हैं? इरेगुलर, बिकॉज दे आर, इनकी कंपैरेटिव एंड सुपरलेटिव फॉर्म बिल्कुल डिफरेंट वर्ड से बनती है. लाइक बैड, वर्स, वर्स्ट, फार, फर्दर, फारदरेस्ट. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज गुड और वेल भी आप ले सकते हैं. गुड, बेटर, बेस्ट और वेल, बेटर, बेस्ट. Little, less, least, and much or many, more and most. Now here we are having fill in the blanks with the comparative and superlative degree of adjective given in the brackets. So we are having adjectives here and we have to use comparative or superlative degree in the sentences. So let's start. My brother is the dash speaker of the school. Now class, we are seeing that before blank the is applied and the किससे पहले आता है? Always comes with superlative degree. My brother is the best speaker. Good, better, best. Next is January is the dash month of the year. Cold, colder, coldest. You will apply here coldest. Okay. Next is she is dash than her sister. Now then word relates to comparison. She is taller than her sister. वो अपनी बहन से ज्यादा लंबी है. She is taller than her sister. Mohan is the dash boy of his family. So Mohan is the word applied है तो superlative smartest. मोहन सबसे smartest boy है अपनी फैमिली में. Next is this book is dash than that book. Good, better than is applied, so comparative degree will be applied. comparison हो रहा है दो बुक्स में. This book is better. यह बुक उस बुक से ज्यादा अच्छी है. This book is better than that book. Now it's turn to do part C. Here we are having a passage and there is one adjective missing in each line and we have to fill that adjective because that place is mentioned with the help of this slash. So let us start. One day I bought a स्लैश गैस, अ बिग गैस बलून। एक दिन मैंने क्या खरीदा था, अ बिग गैस बलून। इट वॉज अ डैश बलून, अ बलून का कलर बता देंगे, इट वॉज अ रेड बलून। नेक्स्ट इज आई टाइड अ स्लैश मीन्स डैश, आई टाइड अ डैश थ्रेड टू इट, आई टाइड अ लॉन्ग थ्रेड टू इट। ऑफकोर्स बलून के साथ यू विल टाई अ लॉन्ग थ्रेड। द बलून वेंट अप अ लिटिल डैश, अब बलून कहाँ चला गया था, लिटिल हायर, क्योंकि आपने लॉन्ग थ्रेड बांध दिया था। आई टुक द बलून इनटू अ डैश हॉल, इनटू अ किस हॉल में लगे थे, बिग हॉल में। देन आई डिडंट लेट द थ्रेड स्लिप फ्रॉम माई हैंड, आपने थ्रेड को अपने हाथ से छोड़ा नहीं था। डैश फ्रॉम माई डैश हैंड फ्रॉम माई लेफ्ट हैंड, आपने किस हाथ में पकड़ा था उसे, अपने लेफ्ट हैंड में। नेक्स्ट इज आई हैड ओनली वन डैश बलून, आपके पास क्या था, ओनली वन गैस बलून था। सो आई टुक डैश केयर ऑफ इट, सो आई टुक गुड केयर ऑफ इट या ग्रेट केयर ऑफ इट। So my dear class, this was your worksheet number 41. We have elaborated in a well manner. I hope it's quite clear to you. Just go through it once again and try to do it by your own in your book of Brevia. Now we are going to sum up our video. Thanks for watching.